Sindh, the land of Sufis, priests and believers, has a transgender community that has a rich and diverse history. This community has an inherent stake in the province that dates back to well over a millennia. However, fast forward to the present times, the existence of this community is being denied. It is a great surprise that in the country's 7th census, which is also its first ever digital, the population of transgender community has been slashed by almost 35% in Sindh. In the 2017 census, the recorded population in Sindh was 5,954 and in Pakistan it was 21,774. Interestingly, the Pakistan Bureau of Statistics admits in its own reports that the number of transgender population recorded in last census was undercounted. Despite the admitted undercounting, the 2023 census reports that the count has dropped further to 3,871, an astounding 35%. Of the 6 divisions in Sindh, the Hyderabad division has the highest number of underreported transgender people, a total of 707. In the 2017 census, the population of transgender in the division was 1,277, which has now dropped to 570. The Larkana division also showed a significant decline in the transgender population of 63%. However, in terms of percentage, the Mirpur Khas division has the most drastic drop in the transgender population amongst the 6 divisions, a massive 74%. Conversely, the Karachi division with 6 districts has recorded 66 more transgender persons from the 2017 census, meaning there has been an imperceptible increase of merely 3% in their population. Now let's delve into some other datasets available to ascertain the actual population of transgender community in the province. The Federal National AIDS Control Program conducted an integrated biological and behavioral surveillance survey in 2016-17, the same time as the last census. According to this 5-year-old survey, 31,790 transgender people lived in only 23 cities of Pakistan, as opposed to the 21,774 recorded across the country in the 2017 census. In Karachi alone, the survey mapped 9,123 transgender people. Another set of data available with us is from Gender Interactive Alliance, an NGO that works for the rights and social justice for the transgender people in Pakistan. The NGO is currently working on an HIV prevention project and has registered more than 19,000 transgender people in Karachi alone. Keeping these data in mind, the trans rights activists fear, perhaps justifiably, that they are being undercounted.